make sure you've turned in yesterday's assignment. Looks like this. If you need it, it's in the blue bin. But most of y'all, I think, already turned it in. Just if you didn't finish it, turn it in. Okay, we still have a quiz next Wednesday. Today, we are going to do similar to the last couple of days, but we're going to be talking about verbal descriptions. So here's a warm-up with an example of a verbal description. So here it is. The change in Dallas Cowboys fans over X months can be modeled by this function. Okay, so we got a verbal, we got a function. Now, what's the initial population? First of all, y'all remember the equation y equals a, parentheses b, with x in the exponent, right? Now, you might remember a is the y-intercept, right? Whoa. Bro. Oh my gosh. Or another way to think about y-intercept is the initial value. Another way to think about it is where you start. However you want to think about it, that first number is your y-intercept initial value. Cool? Now b, the base of that exponent is the rate, and it tells you whether it is growth or decay. Now you'll notice on this problem, on the warm-up, it doesn't say growth or decay, it says increase or decrease, right? So obviously growth is increasing, decay is decreasing. Okay, let's answer this question. What is the initial population? So on this equation, which one of these numbers is the initial population? The y-intercept. 1 million, right? 1,000,000. There's 1 million Cowboy fans. True. Now, is this exponential growth or decay? Exponential increasing or decreasing? So now we're going to look at the other number, which is 5. Is that greater than 1? Okay, growth is greater than 1. So this is exponential increase or growth. Okay, remember decrease is decay. This does not decay because we don't decay as a fan base. All right, well, anyways, so what's the asymptote? We learned this on our examples on the notes 2 days ago. The asymptote is that line it never crosses, and for this year, it's always y equals 0, right? And also, just a reminder, the domain is always all real numbers, negative to positive infinity, and the range is from 0 to infinity. Okay. Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you an assignment right now. It's going to be a bunch of verbal descriptions, but it's going to be very similar to yesterday's assignment. So a lot of people are finishing pretty fast. So it's a one-day thing. That's pretty much it. All right. I'm going to pass it out. I'm going to let y'all work and let me know if you have any questions.